We got sequential turn signals, we got marker lights, we got light bars, and this thing's still not as bright as my future. So today, we're gonna add some more. We're doing the Supreme Hyper 5 ditch lights, and these are going right on top of the hood. Quick and easy install, guys. So let's go ahead and light this thing up. All right, guys, so this is everything you receive in the kit. I've got the mounting brackets, wiring harness, the lights themselves, and a couple different color covers go on there as well. Let's go ahead and start by getting these brackets on. All we're gonna do is loosen the 2 bolts that connect the hood to the car. These will slide right in. You don't even have to loosen them all the way, and then you just tighten those right back down. Same thing over on the other side here. Let's go ahead and get those lights on here. First thing, just attach the bracket to the light with the screws provided, and then we're gonna go ahead and attach this right to this bracket here. Just like that, and round 2. Perfect, let's get it wired in. For the wiring, the harness is all included. Looks a little intimidating, but don't worry about it. 2 of them that run straight to the lights. From there, it's gonna run all the way up to your breaker here. Connects to your battery, positive and negative, and then just your wire that runs into the cabin for the controls. Let's get this laid out here. For the positive and negative here on the hybrid models, we're gonna connect directly to the fuse box here. So power is gonna go straight down to this first nut right here. Negative, I'm gonna run up, there's a bolt that connects right up to the frame up here. So we're gonna connect that right up top there. And negative right up top here. Wiring's in. For the lights, we're just gonna pull these wires up top, pop them right in here. All right, now since I'm a YouTube certified electrician, we should be fine, but I'm gonna double check anyway. So I pulled this wire out the front before we run into the cabin. Let's make sure they work. Boom, just like that, guys, works perfect. Let's try the amber. Awesome, and the white. Perfect, guys. Let's go ahead and run this into the cabin. For the switch wire, we ran it right across the cabin here, and then right down in through that rubber grommet into the inside. We got it ran from the grommet around this crack here to the side, up through the rubber piece on the side there, popped right up on the top of that vent here. That way we have easy access right here from inside the vehicle. Last step, I'm gonna go ahead and tighten up all the wiring on the outside here, make sure nothing's touching anything hot, get everything zip tied up and looking nice. All right, guys, there's the whole setup. Look how nice this looks with all the amber light. That was the perfect finishing touch right up on the top there. I'm gonna show you these up close, and then we're gonna jump into night. I'll show you some night footage. These are the coolest ditch lights I've ever seen. Look how sick the mirror look is. That's gonna wrap it up, guys. Again, thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed. It does come with these covers. I threw the amber covers on there. It does come with blackout covers as well. You can pop on there just to add a cool effect during the day when they're not on. But that's gonna be it for today. So we'll catch you guys soon. Peace.